Hi, and welcome to 4840 Coronado Avenue in beautiful Ocean Beach, San Diego. Gorgeous sunsets, ocean views, and a short stroll to the beach. What more could you ask for? This practically new Mediterranean-style 2-bedroom, 2-bath townhome features hardwood floors, a gorgeous kitchen with stone counters and stainless steel appliances, 2 full baths with high-end finishes, a romantic fireplace, private laundry, and a 2-car garage. The icing on the cake? 2 oversized view patios with over 600 square feet of outdoor living space. Watch the fireworks, entertain, or just relax in South OB. There is room for all of your surfboards and toys in the garage in addition to parking. To the south, you have ocean and palm tree views over Sunset Cliffs. To the north, you have views of the ocean, night lights, and SeaWorld fireworks. Situated in South OB in a quaint 6-unit complex, this Mediterranean beauty puts you right in the heart of everything you want and need. Just blocks to the cliffs, sandy beaches, coffee shops, breakfast burritos, surf, and nightlife. Step out your front door to enjoy Southern California at its best. Beach Path Condos is one of the very few complexes in Ocean Beach that allows short-term rentals. This is perfect for everyday living, as a second home, or an investment. Ocean Beach is known for its charm and character and a funky beach style all its own. It is quite possibly one of the last beaches of its kind in Southern California. If you love beach living, what are you waiting for? This is Southern California at its best, and you deserve it. Call me today to make this your dream home.